Alright, so welcome back. In today's video I have just another unboxing video since it's been a while since I've done more. I bought something else from an unusual spot for me to buy stuff, so I'll just get straight into it. Try not to talk too much. Maybe just this. Yeah, this whole lot here cost me before shipping, I believe, no, this will be the easier way to go about it. I believe this cost me $13 before shipping. Then after shipping, it came out to a total of $25. There we go. Jeez. Well, that didn't help very much. There, it did a little bit. I'm hoping that what I've got in here if I can just cut a flap of this open. You know what? I'm gonna try this with a pair of scissors and get the rest of this open. So I'll be back once I have scissors. Okay, I have obtained some scissors, so now I think I can do this much easier. There we go. It's concerning that there isn't very much wrapping for all this, but now I'll adjust the camera and I'll get into the rest of this. Okay, so apparently they've just packaged everything in here, which means, again, I'll need a knife. I think I'll have more room to cut it open on this side. That was easier than I was expecting. But yes, these are all 3 Blue Box cars, which I bought because I needed some rolling stock from this one railroad, specifically one of these things. So I don't know what's in what. So I'll go into this one first, which I believe this is the Pacific Electric Caboose. This one in the pictures, it definitely should have had some damage. I bought all these mostly because they all came with metal wheels and at least 1 Katy for each of them, which is stuff I would very much like. I'm not sure how many of these will stick around. That Caboose I might not keep. I'm going to save this one for the end. But here's the second piece, which is a WP boxcar, which appears to have some aftermarket trucks. It's got Katys. I'm going to need to, on this side, get some new car stirrups since the other ones are broken. Okay, for some reason, there's also Athearn Blue Box engine coupler covers in here, which I don't understand, but okay. I think some of these cars might need a good solid cleaning. There's also a little bit of glue there. I'm probably going to weather this car at some point in the future. And the door broke, so that's another thing to fix. So that one I'll set aside. And this is the last big thing I wanted to get, which was this fairly nice Western Pacific Caboose. So if you remember, I got that Western Pacific, what's it called? I want to say it's the VO1000 a little while ago. And I saw this from the same place and decided to get it all. So this Caboose is mostly why I bought it, and it's actually a lot nicer than I was expecting. The bay window, I'll need to tighten these trucks up quite a bit. There's a few cosmetic things with that I need to fix, but other than that, I think it's actually pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going to pull all these out, and I will just do a quick little outro of this, and I think that's about it. Alright, so that's all 3 cars out. I definitely have some work ahead of me, but I think in the end it'll turn out pretty well. So just thanks for watching this little unboxing. I wanted to show off this lot, which I bought for the Western Pacific rolling stock.